Today, I'm not going to give you a 21-day challenge. Not a 90-day plan. Not another motivational speech that makes you feel good for a moment and then you forget everything. Today, I'm giving you a 24-hour reset system. A system that can reset your mind, your energy, and the direction of your life. But there's one condition. This is not for people who just want to listen. This is for people who are ready to be honest with themselves even for one single day. Because the truth is, your life is not stuck because you are weak. Your life is stuck because you've been lying to yourself. So let's fix this today. Step 1. Choose one day. Just one day. On that day, put your phone aside. Stop scrolling. No TV shows. Just you and your mind. And understand this beforehand. This day will feel uncomfortable. You'll constantly want to pick up your phone. You'll tell yourself, just 1 minute, just one message. That moment is the most important moment. Because when the noise stops, everything you've been avoiding starts to surface. Those thoughts. Those feelings you usually run away from. Step 2, the mirror ritual. Stand in front of a mirror. No music. No positive affirmations. Just look at yourself and ask one question. What am I really trying to become? You don't need to answer it out loud. You need to feel it. It will feel awkward. It will feel heavy. But that feeling tells you exactly where you are compromising with yourself. Because until you are honest with yourself, no system and no motivation will ever work. Step 3. Take a notebook and write one thing you know you're avoiding. It could be a habit. It could be a decision you keep postponing till tomorrow. Now pause the video and write in the comments. I am avoiding _______. For example, I am avoiding my diet plan. I am avoiding my study routine. This doesn't solve the problem. But it makes you accept it. And once you accept it, you stop ignoring it. That's where change begins. Step 4. Set a timer for 60 minutes. Reserve this 1 hour only for yourself. First 20 minutes, focus on your body. Do anything physical, walk, stretch, push-ups, stairs. It doesn't have to be perfect. Movement is what matters. Next 20 minutes, focus on your mind. Write whatever is going on, overthinking, fear, anger, confusion, anything. This lightens the mind. Last 20 minutes, stillness. Just sit. Phone away. Nothing to prove. In this silence, you'll realize you're not too busy. You're just disconnected. And this is where clarity starts. Step 5. At 9 p.m., stand in front of the mirror one last time. No questions. No motivational lines. Just say this to yourself. Today, I didn't run. It wasn't a perfect day. But it was a real day. And most people live their entire lives without living even one real day. One day won't fix your entire life. But one day can introduce you to your real self. And once you meet your real self, direction starts becoming clear automatically. If this video inspired you to change something inside you, don't scroll. Choose one day. And start from there. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Thank you.